Welcome back to Scrively. In this tutorial, we'll learn how to work with your book cover in the editor. At the top of the editor, you'll find the option to edit your book cover illustration. Simply enter a prompt describing the exact changes you'd like to make to your cover. Need more space to write? Click the expand icon in the bottom right corner of the prompt field to expand or collapse the text area. If you'd like Scrively to use your existing characters as a reference, be sure to tag them in your prompt. Need to review your current cover before making additional changes? Click cancel. When you return, your prompt will still be there ready for you to continue editing. When you're happy with your prompt, click apply changes and give Scrively a few moments to generate your updated cover. Not happy with the results? Click undo to revert the change, or redo to apply it again. You can also choose to completely regenerate your cover image. After a few moments, Scrively will generate an entirely new version of your cover. If you prefer the previous version, simply use undo or redo to switch between them. When you're satisfied with your cover, click the download icon to save the image to your device. Join us in our next tutorial where we'll take a closer look at working with your title page.